COVID-19 spike in Karbi Anglong as tally reaches 46. Four PDCK cadres arrested on Sunday, huge cache of arms and ammunition recover. Major reshuffle in BJP, WKADC, Radip Rongha appointed new president. A very good morning to all the viewers of Karbi Anglong Live News. You're with Julie Baby with the latest news of the day. Now let's look into the news in detail. COVID-19 cases in the Hill district of Assam has not reached its peak as the number of confirmed cases is still being reported on a daily basis. Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council CM Tuliram Ronghang on Sunday informed through social media that 29 new cases have been reported from Karbi Anglong alone. The CM said that all the persons who were tested positive were all returnees from outside the state. Among the patients, one was a returnee from Hyderabad and was in home quarantine in Deepu, while another person from Longnit was also a returnee. Two positive cases were also reported from Bokajan. The KAAC chief, however, did not disclose the identity of the patients. Total COVID-19 cases in the Karbi Anglong district have reached 46, out of which 6 have been discharged, while no new cases were reported from West Karbi Anglong on Sunday, with the tally still at 13. On the other side, Dima Hasao has recorded a total of 88 positive at the time of filing this report. Meanwhile, the number of COVID-19 cases in the state has reached 2,565, while 615 patients have been discharged at the time of filing this report. News Desk Report, Karbi Anglong Live. In yet another successful operation launched by the Karbi Anglong Police on Sunday, 4 hardcore cadres belonging to the People's Democratic Council of Karbi Longri or the PDCK were arrested from Theribasa village under Dongmoka police station. A huge cache of arms and ammunition have also been recovered from the possessions of the arrested cadres. The joint operation was conducted by a team led by Bokajan SDPO Deputy SP, assisted by officers in charge of different police stations, outposts and staffs, commandos and CRPF personnel. The 4 persons arrested were identified as present PDCK Home Secretary Francis Terang alias David Mukrang of Upper Daihori, Sergeant Naman Risi Rengma alias Akhabi Rengma of Khanari village, and newly recruited Rosewell Ingti and Angtong Rongpi.
Therabasa jiru heri ase dokmoka under tat eta man thana to dokmoka aru tat etu jungle area gaon hebur jibur ase tat eta operation hoisile to etu thik camp nohoy teloko kejon man kedar asile aru to ekijono baddi ejon det amar hisab mote etu part of Karbi Anglong PDCK teneko heri nai to jikhini asile gutekhini bostu et poa goise duta pistol recover hoise ammunitions aru toka pray 2 lakhotke beshi hoise aru mo jothesto kagoj potro ase dutaman hiator camouflage dress uniform aru laptop eta jothesto khini bostu ase ekhini ami eta analysis kori sai aso kagoj potro jothesto khini ase having to case to ami goisile
ta toka khini kidnapper he niki
teneke hoba goise baki khini investigation ot labo otherwise mankin toka to hot thoka kotha nai teneko kiba ta hoise boli ami bhabisu.
During the operation, the security forces recovered several weapons and ammunition, including 2 7.65 mm pistol along with 2 magazines, 10 rounds of 7.65 mm pistol, cash amounting to rupees 3,01,050, 1 laptop and other items. All the arrested persons were being kept at Dongmoka police station at the time of filing this report. Bikram Crow reporting for Karbi Anglong Live. Let's take a quick commercial break. Stay with us for more news. Protect your pigs from African swine fever. African swine fever is a viral disease of both domestic and wild pigs, which spreads quickly and kills most of the infected pigs. Humans are not affected by African swine fever. Sign and symptom: high fever, loss of appetite, depression, weakness, red, blotchy skin or skin lesions, vomiting, diarrhea, coughing or difficulty breathing, abortion, and sudden death. Prevention: no treatment and vaccine for African swine fever. Stop entry of visitors. Don't visit infected areas. Keep the pigs in enclosure. Separate the sick animals. Do not leave food in areas accessible to wild pigs. Dead animals should be buried scientifically. Use bleaching powder about 10 to 15 gram or liter for regular cleaning. Use potash for food bath and 0.01% solution, 1 gram or 10 liter for spray inside sty. Keep in constant touch with nearest veterinary doctor. For more information, contact District Animal Husbandry and Veterinary Office, Karbi Anglong Depot at 8790-536892 or 700-280-3658. MS Punctual Stationery. Just step in once and feel the difference. MS Punctual Stationery at Rongkhelan, Dipu Manja Road, near Don Bosco Higher Secondary School, Dipu, Karbi Anglong, where you will get all things available like groceries, beverages, and personal care items. Here you will also get necessary household items like electrical items, gift items, mixer grinder, table fan, ceiling fan, rice cooker, and many more. Shop to the fullest and get 5% discount on stationery items and 10% discount on household items. Welcome back to Karbi Anglong Live News after the break. Ahead of the 2021 State Assembly elections, the BJP West Karbi Anglong District Committee made an important reshuffle in its organization to strengthen the party's command in the region. Several of the old members have been dropped and replaced by new but known faces. The meeting was held at party's office at Tumpreng on Sunday. After thorough discussion, unanimous decisions were taken to appoint new chiefs of the party's West Karbi Anglong base. Radhip Ronghang has been appointed as the new president and will be assisted by 6 other vice presidents. Kopili MEC, Pawan Kumar and Richardson Hanse have been appointed as the General Secretary along with 6 Assistant Secretaries. Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council EM Mongol Singh Timung has been appointed as Finance Secretary and Harmon Bey has been handed the charge of Office Secretary.
লগতে আমাৰ মেম্বাৰবিলাক ইনফৰ্ম কৰিছে যে আগন্তুক যিকোনো কাৰ্যসূচী ৰাজনৈতিক কাৰ্যসূচী সেই গোটেইখিনি কাৰ্যসূচীবিলাকতো সফল হ'ব।
স্যার এইখিনি এটা কথা এই বোঝাই যেটো স্যার চেইন টানি ট্ৰেইন ৰখাৰ যিটো ঘটনা হৈছে সেই ঘটনাকে আমাৰ পশ্চিম কেৰালাত গুৰুত্বপূৰ্ণ
গোটেইখিনি যিবিলাকৰ যে চেইন টানিছে যোগালী হিমন্ত বিশ্ব শৰ্মা হৈ আহি ঘটনা কৰিছে তেওঁলোকৰ যিটো আইনৰ ব্যৱস্থা কৰা হ'ব তেওঁলোকৰ যিবিলাকৰ বেছ কাৰ্বি আংলং যদি আছে তেওঁলোকৰ কিন্তু লৈ অনা হ'ব তেওঁলোকৰ।
The meeting was attended by KAAC CEM Tuliram Ronghang, EM Mongol Singh Timung, EM Rup Singh Tiron, EM Pradeep Rongpi, several MECs and board chairmen. Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council chief also urged upon all members to work together in order to strengthen the party more. He also reminded that members must put in all efforts to win all 4 MLA seats in Karbi Anglong in the upcoming elections. Kabon Militi Sopi reporting from Dongkamukam for Karbi Anglong Live. Owing to the incessant rain and flooding, destruction and terror of the wild elephants has increased in several parts of the Hill District. In one such incident, a wild elephant have damaged the Menmeji Lam's office and eaten huge quantity of rice stored inside. Our correspondents bring you this report. The incident took place at around 2:15 a.m. on the wee hours of Sunday morning. Menmeji Lam's chairman, Bidyatiron, told media persons that the wild elephant had destroyed the door of the office and eaten away 6 bags of rice. Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council Cooperative Development Board Chairman Pranab Rongphar, Menmeji Lam's General Secretary Somjip Inghi, Prakash Kathar and Welson Timung were also present during the media interaction. Meanwhile, Kolonga Forest Beat Officer Gulabor Ingti, who reached the incident spot, gave his assurance that the Forest Department will compensate for the damage of the office and loss of rice cores to the lambs. Vicky Bay reporting from Tumpreng for Karbi Anglong Live. Moving ahead towards fulfilling the task of converting Dolamara and Dator into town, the KAAC Forest Board Chairman Richard Togby had on Sunday laid the foundation stone of a market complex at Dolamara. The MAC had expressed his contentment over the support of the people of his constituency and the assistance of the KAAC. More from our Dolamara correspondent. The work for the construction of the market complex was sanctioned by Department of Panchayat and Rural Development, for which an amount of ₹50 lakhs have been granted for the purpose. Apart from that, Dolamara would soon have a wider route with divider and a concrete Jambiliathon. A symbol of Karbi identity would also be erected at Japijuri, the entry point to Dolamara. All these works will be supervised by Assistant Engineer of the Town and Country Planning Department Pradeep Rompi. Soon after the foundation stone laying ceremony, the MAC accompanied by VDC Chairman Sarkoy Rongphar also inspected the ongoing construction of cultural complex and the open art gallery. He urged upon the contractor for early completion of the works. During his home constituency visit, the MAC also handed the appointment letter to the cook and chukidar of the Kasturba Gandhi Balika Vidyalaya. During his onward journey, he also stepped into the Kohora Forest IB and Baguri Forest Subbit and assured early repairing of the buildings. RJ Sandrongpa reporting from Dolamara, Karbi Anglong Live. And that's all we have with us for today. Thank you for watching Karbi Anglong Live.